Really? She said, hi?
Just being silly.
Right.
Your hair is not that bad. Let go.
Well, in here isn't that cool, is it?
Go back in the room.
Yeah.
Or it was. It should be warm by now. Oh well.
I'm surprised I didn't say that. You want to have to crack these open?
I should.
Let me watch. Ah, you do remember. Throw it away. That. Long way. Long way. Turn the egg the long way. When I say long way, like that. You do it narrow, you're gonna bust it in your hand.
She didn't hit it hard enough.
Oh, she got it.
Somewhat. You sure there's no shells got in there?
That's all right. Use that towel to wipe your hands on. One tablespoon of that. Alright, sweetie. Grab that extract. Don't pour too fast, but just pour until I tell you to stop. Okay? Go ahead. Don't pour it in too fast. Make sure it's in the bowl. There you go. Stop. It's all in that extract we need. Alright, go ahead and put that away from me, please. Goes in here.
Oh.
Baking powder. Yeah, right, got salt in it.
I sure hope so.
Considering.
It's a pre-made batter. Most of them do.
Yeah, I'm starting to like that. Alright, Ryan, same thing with the sugar. Just keep pouring until I tell you to stop. Alright, put it in there. Keep pouring. 2, 4. Stop.
Wow.
And should be all the sugar that we need. Alright, now what I also want you to do, I want you to scoop out 2 tablespoons of this. Actually, make it 3. Your face in there. Here, stir that up for me, please. Stir it. That's good enough.
Well.
Alright. Alright, now carefully, I want you to get 2 cups of that. Alright, I'm standing over here. That way we won't make such a mess.
Fix it. Wait, she didn't wash her hands yet, right? She told her to wash her hands.
That's fine. Alright, pour that in. Alright, get another one. Careful what you're doing here. Just shake it around. That's good. Now over the ladder. That should be all we need. it out a little bit. Matter of fact, I can use that water for that.
Is this good enough?
Whoops.
Mama.
Okay, now look at it, Ryan. You see how that's looking right now? That's way too runny.
Yeah,
I added too much water, but that's fine. I'd rather add in too much than too little.
That means we have to add more flour?
Yeah. When you're cooking, when we make batter, there's a certain consistency you're looking for. Right now, this isn't the consistency we want. So, put this away from it now. I need to whisk. When you add more water, it's going to become more wet. When you add more flour, it's going to become more dry and thick. So right now, this is too wet, right?
Yeah.
So now we have to add more flour to make it more thick, you know, make it more solidified. So we're going to add just a little bit, not much. Just going to keep adding little by little until we get the consistency we want now, because we already got enough water. So I'm just going to take it and start mixing it up.
Man, it's starting to burn.
No, it's fine. It's starting to look a little bit the way I want it. I'm going to add a little more.
If I don't use a tripod, it's too shaky. The video comes out too shaky if I don't use it.
Oh, I see.
Because if I move too much, it's too shaky.
No, it's a certain type of consistency I want it because I don't
already
like.
know.
Yeah.
I already know.
But you see, if I had made my own batter, it'd be easier for me to see it. But right now, I'm like, honestly, I don't like.
Well, how many pancakes do we need to make again?
For this
A lot.
hungry family, a lot.
Don't even have enough.
We're gonna need a lot.
Exactly.
Well, I know, but like I said, right now, I'm just. If I need to make more batter, I mean, I can easily make more. But I think this is enough. Even though, yeah, the food's taking a minute, it always comes out perfect when you take your time. Better to cook it slow than cook it fast. Okay?
Okay.
That's with everything. Some things you can cook fast and it'll be fine, but most of the time, you want to cook it slow. Now, you see this lip right here? This is to help pour it easily. All I'm gonna do, make sure this is spread around. I'm gonna take it. Just gonna pour a little bit in there. Nice little circle shape. Done. The reason why I want my pancake batter looking like pudding, because I don't want my pancakes really thick. You understand?
Yeah. Don't want that thick to eat.
You know, nice little, cute little round pancakes. That's what I'm doing. Now, do you remember when you're supposed to flip it over?
When there's a lot of bubbles popping on it.
And plus, you can also check just by just looking under a little bit. See that?
I think it's ready.
It is ready to turn over. Just turn it over. Let it keep going.
It's popping up a little bit.
It's gonna be going. See, if we had made our pancake batter really thick, that pancake would be giant right now.
It would be giant when it's thick.
It'd be fat. That's why when I make my pancake batter, I always make it a little bit watery. That when I put it in, it won't come out as thick. I don't like super thick pancakes. No.
Nobody does. You must have been cooking biscuits for that matter.
Excuse me, Daddy. Does honey really make pancakes thick?
Honey?
I thought, well, in one of the books. heard that.
Honey makes it thick.
I
have never really cooked pancakes with honey, so I can't really tell you.
What book were you reading?
That long chapter book.
Oh.
Well, I imagine that. Wait, when you say thick, what do you mean? Like making it fat?
They were already cooked, so, but when that girl poured honey on the pancakes, I think they said it was thick.
Oh wait, so
it got thick.
Oh wait, so you mean they put the honey on it after the pancake was cooked?
Yeah.
Oh, what? Huh? Okay, I don't get it.
Oh.
I never read the book, so I don't know. Maybe if I looked at it, maybe I'll understand what they're saying.
Yeah.
If there was a picture of it.
I'm doing like thick.
You need a picture. You need to view what they said.
Like thick.
You have to show me where they said that, right?
Exactly, because I'm like, I am lost. Alright, so ready to flip over again. I'm gonna let you cook the rest. I just want you to watch what I'm doing. See where we got the flame at? At 3? It needs to stay at 3. Now I put it up at 6 early just to get it quickly hot, but I took it off when it was starting to smoke, turned it down, let it cool off a little bit. Now look how slow it's cooking now. You still gotta watch it though. Here, try to hold it like that. Hold it slowly. Right there.
Calm down, Mari.
Starting to bubble a little bit. Check underneath it for just a moment. Alright, get under it. Look under it. Okay, flip it over. Oh, you gotta be quick. You gotta be quick. Oh, give it to me, give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. It's fine, it's fine.
I better work on that. I said, I better work on that.
Yeah, you can't hesitate when you're cooking, sweetie. When you're ready to flip it. You gotta flip. You know, I should have told you that. That's my fault. When you're cooking pancakes, you gotta be a little quick. Because it will break apart on you if you don't.
Little deal cooking.
Mama. Why?
Why are you always reaching for me?
Because you're my mama.
Sweet. Really?
That's good. Stop. It's alright. It's alright. Don't be scared. Oh. Hold on. It's alright. You're learning. Just gonna get Quasimodo, like Quasimodo looking. Alright. Like I said, right, when you have to grab it, get under it. Now I have it now, right? You just take it, boom. Because if you wait too long, that's why it's cracking apart. Because you're like, you can't do that. Grab it, flip it. Okay. You hesitate. But you're new to it, so it's no big deal.
Last one. Last one.
Yeah. This one may be clownish or something.
It's a little bit shaped like a heart. Well.
I'll tell you what it is what a heart looks like.
Well, like the back of it.
upside down. I see you.
Reflexes. Ouch. Go in there. Do it around. Go everywhere. Go everywhere. Don't be afraid of it. Just get it. See? I get a hair shot, don't you?
Maybe.
Step away. Unless you want to be branded.
When you burn somebody with something extremely hot. On purpose. It's not fun. Okay. Yeah. Remember, Lonnie not gonna eat that much of eggs anyway, so yeah.
Yeah, that's, you know what, you gotta do.
Yeah. Hey, little Aya, you made breakfast. Say something.
The what?
Say something. Let go.
What's up?
Say something. Sit down, right? Sit.
Alright, cayenne pepper mine.
Why?
Cayenne pepper.
What?
Yeah, you and Lonnie are
Now
matching.
we should have mushrooms.
True. You and Lonnie are matching. Yeah. You and Lonnie are matching.
Oh, the orange.
You didn't notice? Orange and you got navy blue.
Ooh, eggs are done.
What, both packs?
When the last time you made eggs that one day?
Wow.
Baby, you know this. These kids eat 8 eggs by themselves.
Yeah.
And then you and I had about maybe 2 or 3.
Mm-hmm.
About you made 5 more. That's 13. That's over a dozen altogether.
Wow.
Hungry dog gonna put you in a box and ship you away with some bananas.
Wow. I meant to cut this up.
Yeah, I forgot.
Eat right.
Now I'm standing there knowing she's missing out.
Mm-hmm.